You want to know the real reason why financial literacy is not taught in schools? What is money?
Money is something you could use to buy stuff with.
Yes, there are curriculum constraints. That leaves little room for additional topics like financial literacy. Why do people need money?
So they could buy what they need. They could buy clothes. They could buy food. They
Okay.
could buy stuff to eat.
Yes, there's the issue of lack of training. Teachers may not have the necessary training or expertise in financial matters to effectively teach financial literacy. Can you name some ways that people can earn money?
By getting a job, working at like Stop and Shop and stuff.
Because true, finances can be a complicated matter, although it doesn't have to be. But you know why it's not taught? Do you know what a job is?
Yes, a job is where people earn money for working really hard, and some people have to stay there until nighttime.
The real reason? Financial literacy helps people to achieve financial independence and escape from intergenerational poverty. That's exactly why. Which job you think makes the most money in the world?
I would have to say a police, a firefighter, or a hospital.
Tell us why. But Rach, if financial literacy leads to financial independence and escape from intergenerational poverty, doesn't everybody want that? The answer is tell us why.
Because they have to work at nighttime sometimes. They have to work during the night. But I would think a firefighter or a police more because they have to work like overnight and sometimes they have to spend the night there and then they call during the night.
The answer is it's a great thing, but no, everybody doesn't want that. The banks don't want that. The politicians don't want that. The news stations don't want that. And on I could go. But you already know that. If you want to break this cycle and you're ready to raise money smart kids, here are 5 essential tips to help your kids become future millionaires. Tip number 1, you want to start early. The sooner your child learns about money, the better. Teach them about saving. Teach them about spending, giving from a very young age. If you had some money, what are some things you might do with that money?
I would save it and I would buy groceries and stuff I need and clothes.
Now, you can't give what you don't have, right? So make sure you get financially literate. Make sure you get financially literate and share with your children. Tip number 2, you want to be a role model. Kids learn by watching you. Show them how to make wise financial decisions like budgeting and saving and not spending all your money. Have you ever had a business of your own?
No.
Do you think kids can have businesses?
Yes.
Would you have a business?
Yes. The only problem is I don't know how to start it.
Tip number 3, allow them to earn their own money. Encourage kids to find age-appropriate jobs. Now, don't pay them for jobs. Stop just handing them money. Let them work. Help them find meaningful work and start businesses that can earn them money. This teaches them the value of hard work and earning their own income. What would your business be?
Probably making my own ice cream shop or working at a lemonade stand.
How much money do you think you could make doing those things?
$5.
Excellent. Tip number 4, teach them goal setting. Help your kids set financial goals and guide them on how to reach those goals. Whether it's saving for a new toy or for college, goal setting builds discipline and determination. What do you think you could do to earn money when you grow up?
I think I could start my own business, start working, helping people in the environment.
What kind of work would you do?
Probably a teacher, teaching like science and math.
Who would you be teaching? Would you teach the elderly, little kids, high school, college?
Little kids, probably.
Tip number 5, explain the value of delayed gratification. Teach your kids that good things come to those who wait. Help them understand the importance of saving for long-term goals and avoiding impulsive purchases. Anything else you want to tell us about money that you have learned?
I learned how to count money and how to count like cents.
Do you have a savings account for your money?
No.
Where do you save your money?
In my piggy bank.
How much do you have in there?
650, I think.
Oh, wow. Now, by following these 5 essential tips, you'll be on your way to raising money smart kids who are prepared for a financially successful future and who will be able to take care of you in your old age. Okay? Okay. If you have one advice you could tell children about money, what would you tell them?
I can tell them how they could work hard with money, how they can like help people in the environment, save up for what you want to buy, and then like you'll earn it once you grow older. You'll see how much money you have and keep on counting it, but not like every single day. That's all I could think of.
If you had $100,000, what would you do?
I would buy probably a new car and clothes and stuff for a party so then I can hang out with my friends and my sister and we can all have a
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on raising money smart kids.